In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Meet name and profile picture. It's a straightforward process, but doing it properly ensures that your online presence reflects the real you. Let's dive right into it. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google Meet. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for your Google account icon. It's typically represented as your profile picture or a letter icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this drop-down, you'll find an option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Click on this, which will take you to your main account settings page. Once there, navigate to the Personal Info section on the left-hand side of the screen. This section is where you can tweak various settings like your name and profile picture. When you're in the Personal Info section, you'll see your current profile details. Click on your name, which will give you the option to edit it. This change will affect how your name appears across Google's services, including Google Meet. After updating your name to your liking, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Now that your name is updated, let's move on to changing your profile picture. Go back to the home page of your Google account. From there, click on the Edit Profile Picture option. This will open a new window, offering several choices for your profile picture. If you want to upload a custom image, click on Add Profile Picture. Alternatively, you can select from Google's collection of illustrations by clicking on Illustrations. Choose an image that best represents you. Keep it professional if it's for work or education purposes. Once you've selected a picture, you'll have the option to adjust its position and size. This ensures it looks just right. Once satisfied, click Next. Finally, save it by selecting Save as Profile Picture. Your new name and profile picture will now appear in Google Meet and other Google services. To see them in action, open your Google Calendar, locate an event with a Google Meet link, and join the meeting. You'll notice your updated profile immediately. That's it. You've successfully changed your name and profile picture on Google Meet. Keeping these details current is more important than you might think because it helps others identify you correctly, whether you're in a personal meeting or a professional conference. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other useful tips and tricks.